Well, happy weekend, happy week, guys. This has been a heck of a week for the market. Things just can continue to go up. In my strategy session today for members, I'm kind of pointing out the weekly charts. They're just a lot of hollow green boxes here, which means it's all good. Buyers right into the end of the week. Again, it's a weekly time frame. Each of these is 1 week. You'll see we've got just a couple rando ones here where they're red. In other words, well, you know what they mean. I'm not going to tell you. If you don't know what a red candlestick is, then you're probably in the wrong business. So the bottom line, though, is we got a lot of these things, these kind of cup and handles. They're just all over the place, and every single one of them is real good. So I thought I'd mention SMCI. This isn't a cup and handle. This is a squeeze and a pop like you can't believe. This just keeps moving higher and higher. It's an AI play. It is an NVIDIA play. Um, they make stuff in that sector. My good buddy Andy Wong knows all about that, and he'll be sharing some stuff with us about this. This guy's a monster in this, and he'll be sharing stuff with us in the Mentor Trading Mastery program that is coming to a town near you in about a month or so. So anyway, really looking forward to hearing Andy Kwong talk about it. So anyway, with SMCI, what are we going to do? Well, if you missed this move, I think you got another one coming. I just put this on after just a little while ago. Markets closed, and my idea here on this is this has had one heck of a move in a fairly short period of time, up over 200% in, guys, not, pardon my voice, in not too many days. Not too many days at all. 4 weeks, 21 bars. It came up to here. So, and then what's been happening since that time? Volume's been going down. So we had this big, massive spike on volume. This is institutional buying. You can see the average volume going way up. This is institutional buying. That's the only way you'd have this kind of volume and this kind of price advance. And then on the pullback, it just didn't come back that much. It just didn't come down that much relative to this big move. So this is one I think you got to get in there and just hold on to it. I do not believe that buying at 10.19 is a bad idea. You're kind of anticipating continued moves to the upside, but the stock is giving you that sense that it is under institutional accumulation. So you can see, though, because the stock is so volatile, it's kind of like any stock, any stop is going to be too tight. It just is. And so the way you protect yourself on this is just through a proper position size. I have my suggested stop down here. That's a pretty wide berth. And so the way you manage that is just not to own as many shares. And then as the stock works in your favor, then you can start building a bigger position because you've got some you've got some room. You got a little horsepower to put on a bigger position with profits as opposed to just white knuckles. So anyway, that's all I got for you tonight. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.